Today, 40% of financial institutions use AI to manage investments for their clients. That's like saying 1 out of every 2 banks has a smart AI helping them manage money. Think of AI as a super smart financial assistant. It knows you, your goals, and your spending habits better than you do. With AI by your side, you're like a money master. Compare traditional advice to modern, AI-driven insights. With traditional methods, $10,000 might grow to $13,000 in 3 years. But with AI, that same investment could grow to $15,000. That's a 20% increase. Did you know? AI algorithms are 90% accurate in predicting market trends. That's like being right 9 times out of 10 when guessing what the stock market will do next. Machine learning is a type of AI that learns from data without being explicitly programmed. It works by giving the computer lots of examples to learn from, just like how you learn to recognize faces or objects. From 2015, when the first AI-driven financial advisor was introduced, to 75% of major banks using some form of AI by 2020, we're on track for full adoption by 2030. That's just over a decade away. Improved accuracy, personalized advice, and faster decision-making are just a few benefits of AI in personal finance. For instance, AI algorithms can predict market trends with 90% accuracy, giving you a clear edge in making informed decisions. While AI is great for analyzing data and making decisions, it can't replace human intuition. It also can't predict everything or handle the complexities of personal situations. AI works by taking in data, analyzing it, and then providing advice. For example, think of a simple workflow where you input your financial data, it gets analyzed, and then provides tailored advice. Think of AI as your financial GPS. It helps you find the best route to reach your financial goals. The truth is, AI doesn't replace human advisors. Instead, it enhances their capabilities by handling the routine tasks and providing data insights. This sketch shows how AI transforms the traditional financial planning process into a more direct and efficient route. Compare AI-driven investment strategies with conventional methods. AI offers more personalized and responsive solutions, while traditional approaches are more manual and less frequent. AI in finance, like a personal butler. AI-driven investment strategies can outperform traditional methods by 20% over a decade. That's like doubling your investment growth in the long run.